Hey, hello, what's up, guys, and welcome to Wintv Wintv right here on this YouTube channel. As we do always, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and also tap on the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video. And you know, today is the 14th of February 2021, and February is the month of love. And today, being the 14th, is a day set aside to receive love, share love, and also spread love across all borders. And it's also a day set aside to celebrate and remember Saint Valentine of blessed memory. He is the reason why we are celebrating Valentine's Day on the 14th of February every year. Without further ado, let's just check the videos and the pictures from our favorite female celebrities, influencers, and socialites on the various social media platform, Instagram to be precise. So guys, you know how we do it right here on this channel, that is Wintv, I should say, WINTVGH. Pardon me for that. I'm super excited. I'm just gassed up. I'm just hyped because of the pictures. Charlie, Valentine, people did show palm. Valentine is here. Hey, where's your boyfriend? So yeah, so that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell the families and associate. The WinTVGH is up with a new video. And if you didn't receive any gift, sorry, better luck next time. But we from the camp of WinTV, we are also spreading and sharing love. Mwah, we love you. Stay good and stay glued to WinTVGH as we give you this and many more content. Adios, peace.